Leinster's whistling tour at Highveld added urgency to the efforts of SA Rugby and URC dealers to come up with an adapted salary cap structure after this year's World Cup in France. Currently, teams are set to return to 2020 cap of around 62 million for a maximum of 45 contract top players, which is frankly an understatement considering how dramatically the landscape has changed since COVID-19 pandemic. South Africa is now firmly established in European Champions and Competition Cups, and the governing body is just one more season away from being a full stakeholder in URC, which will significantly boost its revenue stream.